Hi, hello. So I'm going to do a DPDK Pktgen SYN flood attack on this LoongSong mini PC in bridge mode. So again, just for the physical cable collection here. So I have this red cable. Previously we collected to the router, but now I collected to the to this box. This is old Dell server that runs a KVM virtual machine with DPDK Pktgen generator that we had previously run. Okay, so another red cable from this packet generator, another red cable connected to this iMac that I'm going to use this iMac to log into the packet generator to send the traffic, send the SYN flood attack through this bridge, this LoongSong mini PC Firewall bridge. So this green cable, green network connected to this iMac directly. So this iMac kind of like so basically, I want to use that packet generator to SYN flood this iMac that actually runs Ubuntu Mate distribution. This is a very old iMac again. Okay, so again, this is our LoongSong mini PC terminal, and we will. So instead to do that, we need adjust the packet generator here. Let's put it down here, and maybe we can make it larger. You can see, and so I already logged into the packet generator. And we can look at the SYN flood text file we are going to load. And so in order to flood this another iMac, I changed the destination IP address to this IP address. And also changed the MAC address to the iMac address. So that is this machine, this iMac machine, and then we can verify that. So here we have the MAC address. End with 88.4b. So that one is 884b. The IP address, actually I needed to manually set this IP address just for testing. Now IP address at 172.1.13.24 def emp3 slim s0f0. Okay. Yeah, so we need to change the IP address, manually change the IP address to the 113 for this testing, right? Yeah. So again, we wanna run that packet generator DPDK to SYN flood attack this iMac machine through that mini PC work as a bridge. So for now, it is just a firewall bridge. It will do nothing. It's just simply pass the traffic, pass the network packet between the packet generator and this iMac. So no DDoS protection. And let's do the flooding now. Okay, so before we do that, let me run a TCP down to just monitor the, so once we start it, we should see a SYN flood packet on this machine. So now let's start this packet generator here. This is our command to start the packet generator, and we want to load the okay. We want to load the SYN flood ext. You can, okay, let me restart it so you can see. Restart it. Okay, node SYN flood txt. Okay, it's loading the test file. Page man, and again we have the correct destination. Okay, now let's start 0. Start 0, send traffic. Okay, so now you see it's we are starting flooding, and here immediately we see a SYN flood attack on this Mac, right? And at the meantime, if we watch the bridge, the firewall bridge, the CPU also jumps 100%. Right? Because right now I have not enabled the TCP DDoS protection. So the CPU is high on this bridge. Okay? And so actually let's look at the top on this machine here. Oh, maybe the okay. So yeah, so for this test, sometimes I do not see the packet, the SYN flood packet. It is maybe my lab setup is not properly. But we can still, okay, so yeah, see, now we see the SYN flood again from the TCP down, and so the flood is still going on here, and the CPU is still high. So now let's enable the TCP DDoS. Open another session window. We need to edit the setting here, and set it on. And now we start of the TCP DDoS BPF tool program. So it's loaded. Okay. So now the XDP DDoS protection program is loaded, and we are still seeing some SYN flood to this IMAC. We will wait a little bit. I think probably is those packets. When we loaded the XDP program, those packets already passed through the bridge, and so we still see it from the TCP down. And let's look at the top, because we can also monitor the top. So looks the packet is still flooding through the bridge, and the TCP down we still see packet. So let's give it a little bit of time, because I observed that even when we start the program, we will wait a little bit to, yeah, so it's loaded. And let's stop and just refresh the top output. So still going on. Okay, now it seems okay. See, now it stops. And so now I think it takes a little bit of time for the XDP program to kick in. Maybe because this mini PC a little bit slow to run the XDP program. But anyway, the CPU usage drops, and the TCP down stops. I mean, the packet stops flowing to this IMAC. So we successfully used the XDP program to protect this IMAC by running the XDP program on the bridge firewall. So this is I think this is a useful scenario, like when your network is under a DDoS attack, and you don't want to change your existing network, but you want to have the DDoS protection, and then you can put a bridge inline device with XDP DDoS protection to stop the SYN flood attack. And you can see here the attack is still going on, but no TCP down here. The CPU drops on the bridge. And now let's disable the DDoS program, and then we should see CPU back to 100% CPU usage, and that we should see TCP down. Let's add it to the setting. Set it off. Can you see it? Yeah, here's better angle. Okay, let's again. Let me just show you. So here is, we set it's on, we set it off. Okay. Now we stop the DDoS protection. Stop. Okay. And here, let's go watch the CPU usage. See, it's back to 100%. No DDoS protection. And here, we're supposed to see the SYN flood flooding this machine, this IMAC. But sometimes it's not like from the TCP down, we don't see the SYN flood immediately, probably because the packet is still buffering in the bridge, and but we will see. Let's wait a little bit. And here still flooding. CPU is high on the bridge. Yeah. Let's see. Just make sure the IP address is there. Yeah, it's still there. TCP down. Yeah, maybe we can stop this packet generator and start it back. Stop 0. Okay, start. So start it again. Start 0. Okay. Yeah, sometimes probably the packet generator is not behaving properly. See, now we see the SYN flag, and we see this the CPU spec. Okay. So in summary, we can use this LoongSun mini PC as in a bridge mode, but still with DDoS protection. And yeah, that's what I want to show you today. Thanks for watching.